Welcome back to Saunders Homestead for Tuesday, July 5th and July 6th. I'm going to show you both the east and west sides where the work has been done these past 2 days. On Tuesday, July 5th, we assembled the front porch vent, installed two rafters over that porch vent. We finished applying 2-inch rigid insulation on the west, which we're looking at now, and the tape, and half of the 2-inch rigid insulation to the east side, and installed the front door. And on the east roof, put 3 layers of rigid, which we're looking at now, on top of the tongue and groove and ice and water shield layer membrane that we applied. We put 3 layers of insulation. 2 were 3-inch, 1 was 1.5 inch. And framed, of course, the 7.5-inch framing on this roof. And then put the plywood sheathing, 5/8 on top of that. Then the Fort Jumbo Henry 60 asphalt paper, it's 2-ply asphalt paper essentially. Then the vertical rafters, then the horizontal rafters, so it's all ready for metal. And you'll see as we look at the flying gable porch, we do not have to insulate over that layer because there's no living space underneath it. So there it is. I'm going to drive around to the front so we can see what took place on July 6th. Hold on. On the west side. And of course on the west, on July 6th, try to get a larger picture. Here we are. On the west, on July 6th, we completed 2-inch rigid insulation on the east. We put with the tape over it, as you can see. We put the remaining rafters on the front porch. So that's all ready for its TNG and water shield and metal. The master bedroom door was installed on the east side. And this side, the roof assembly is almost ready for metal. We've got all those layers on. And you'll see Wayne. Hi, Wayne. Hello. We'll see Wayne up there. He's now working on the north side to get the 2 inches of rigid insulation installed on that side. So there it all is. Thank you for watching our channel. Things continue to move ahead. And if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't joined our channel, we'd love for you to join. If so, hit the subscribe button and we will be back in touch with you on an update tomorrow. Be well.